In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view the file path in SharePoint in just 5 minutes. Whether you're managing a team or organizing a personal library, understanding how to locate file paths is essential for efficient file management. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Firefox, or any other browser you typically use. Once you have that open, go ahead and search for Microsoft SharePoint. You might already have it bookmarked, but a quick search will get you there just as effectively. With the search results in front of you, click on the official SharePoint link. It should take you directly to the SharePoint login page where you'll enter your credentials to access your SharePoint environment. If you're already logged in, you'll be swiftly directed to your SharePoint site homepage without any additional login steps. Now, you're inside SharePoint. The next thing to do is navigate to your document library. This is where all your documents and files are stored. You might find this section in the main menu or within a specific SharePoint site you've been working on. Clicking on Documents will usually get you there. Once you're in the document library, locate the specific file for which you want to view the path. With potentially numerous files listed, it might take a little scrolling, but you can also utilize the search bar within the library if you know the file name. After you've found your intended file, there's a small checkbox next to the file name. Click this checkbox to select the file. Selecting it will highlight the file and enable additional file options for you to interact with. Now, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your document library screen. You're looking for the I icon, which stands for Information or Details. Click this, or if you prefer an alternative method, locate the 3 dots next to your file, sometimes called the More Options menu. From here, choose Details from the drop-down menu. After clicking either the I icon or the Details option, a Details pane will open on the right side of your screen. Here's where you'll find what we're after. Scroll through this pane, and under sections like Path or More Details, you will discover the complete file path. This will include the site name, document library, any folders the file resides in, and finally, the file name itself. And that's it, folks. You've successfully located the file path in SharePoint. Remember, knowing the exact file path can be really helpful, especially when sharing file locations with team members, or just keeping track of your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more quick SharePoint tips.